we cannot even get credit on saying that we win the battle for Christ in the last generation. We cannot. Or else we are going to usurp the power of Jesus Christ himself and the sacrifices that he did on the cross. Nobody can win this battle except Jesus Christ, and it was sealed on the cross. We have this battle right now. Residual battle ang tawag ko rito. Patuloy ito. Tapos ng gira, kaya ng Hapon, sumuko ng Hapon, pero may guerrilla fighting pa rin na nangyayari. Na it struggled for more than 15 years after the victory. But it doesn't mean na ang nakikipaglaban, kagaya natin nakikipaglaban, ay ang ikakapital natin na tayo ang may lakas ng loob at tayo ang may kakayahan na mananalo sa battle na ito. Whether we lose or win in the battle against Satan in the last days, it's not our strength. We cannot even get credit on saying that we win the battle for Christ in the last generation. We cannot. Or else we are going to usurp the power of Jesus Christ himself and the sacrifices that he did on the cross. And then at the same time, Satan has been a loser for more than 2,000 years because Jesus Christ had won it on the cross. Ito tayo, nagiging victim tayo, it's because we continue on living, and then the judgment was not finalized yet on Satan. That's the reason why he is still let loose, and then he is going to suffer it when Jesus Christ comes and then decide to bring him to his last justice. So, ang ating kipaglaban po sa ngayon ay hindi dahil tayo ay matatalo o matatalo si Satanas. Panalo na yon kahit anong mangyayari. Panalo na yon. Wala pong diskusyon dyan. Pero ang pakikipaglaban ay hindi po sa ating sariling kakayahan. We have to be connected with the one who won the battle for us. And that is Jesus Christ. Kaya nga po sinasabi ni Jesus Christ, you have to be one with me. And I am with you. Because he is the only source of strength that we have. We cannot get credit on the victory that we won every day. We cannot. It's because that the credit only belongs to Jesus Christ.